The universe should be crowded with intelligent life, yet every direction we listen remains completely silent. Our galaxy contains billions of stars, many older than the sun, with countless possible worlds around them. Some of those worlds should have formed civilizations millions of years before humans appeared on Earth. With that much time, even slow exploration could have spread across the entire galaxy by now. So if intelligent life is common, why has nobody visited, contacted, or clearly revealed themselves? This contradiction has a name, but its implications are far stranger than the name itself. Scientists call it the Fermi Paradox, and it begins with one uncomfortable observation about time. The Milky Way is ancient, enormous, and filled with places where complex life could possibly emerge. Human technology has advanced dramatically in only a few centuries, especially during the last 100 years. Now imagine what another civilization could achieve after 10,000 years of uninterrupted technological progress. After 1 million years, their machines might travel farther than anything humans can currently build. After 10 million years, their presence could be visible across enormous regions of the galaxy. Yet our telescopes have found no undeniable cities, signals, machines, or engineered structures among the stars. That silence creates several possibilities, and every one of them changes how humanity sees itself. The first possibility is simple. Intelligent life may be much rarer than our imagination suggests. Life may begin often, while complex cells, stable environments, and intelligence almost never appear together. Earth might not be ordinary at all, despite orbiting one fairly ordinary star. Our planet could be the result of an incredibly unlikely chain of cosmic coincidences. But there is another possibility, one that becomes more unsettling the longer you think about it. Perhaps civilizations appear frequently, but something prevents most of them from becoming visible across the galaxy. This hidden barrier is sometimes called the Great Filter, and nobody knows where it belongs. It could exist behind us, meaning humanity already passed an almost impossible stage of development. Perhaps simple life is common, but complex life almost never survives long enough to become intelligent. Perhaps intelligence appears often, but technological civilizations rarely develop tools capable of reaching the stars. If the hardest step is behind us, humanity may be among the universe's rare success stories. But the filter could also be ahead, waiting somewhere beyond our current level of progress. Advanced civilizations may encounter challenges that repeatedly stop expansion before they become visible to others. Those challenges might involve resources, coordination, technology, or choices that quietly limit their future growth. The troubling part is that every silent star leaves both possibilities completely open. We cannot tell whether we are exceptionally fortunate or simply early in a much larger pattern. There is also a stranger possibility. Intelligent civilizations may deliberately choose to remain quiet. Broadcasting your location across space could be dangerous when you know nothing about who is listening. A cautious civilization might observe the galaxy while hiding every signal that could reveal its position. If everyone follows that logic, the universe could be full of listeners who never speak. This idea is sometimes called the dark forest, although the real concept requires no frightening imagery. It only requires civilizations to value uncertainty, caution, and survival more than open communication. Another possibility is that advanced intelligence stops expanding because physical exploration becomes less important over time. A civilization might build perfect virtual worlds using less energy than traveling between distant stars. From the outside, such a society might become quieter as its technology becomes more advanced. We usually imagine progress becoming louder, brighter, and easier to detect across enormous distances. But true progress could make civilizations smaller, more efficient, and almost invisible to our instruments. That would mean silence is not evidence of emptiness, but evidence that we are searching incorrectly. Our telescopes look for radio signals, bright structures, unusual heat, and patterns that nature rarely creates. Yet another civilization might communicate through methods humanity has not discovered or even imagined. To them, our radio searches could look like insects listening for footsteps beneath an ocean. There is also the possibility that we are simply arriving too early to hear anyone else. The universe is old, but conditions suitable for complex life may improve gradually over cosmic time. Humanity could belong to one of the first generations capable of asking whether anyone else exists. If that is true, the silence above us is not an ending, but an unfinished beginning. Future civilizations might someday look toward Earth and wonder why the universe once seemed completely quiet. Every explanation leaves us with the same extraordinary fact. Humanity currently has no confirmed cosmic company. We have found thousands of distant planets, including worlds located where liquid water could possibly exist. We have detected complex molecules in space and environments that resemble ingredients associated with life. But ingredients are not civilizations, and possibility is not proof of intelligence beyond our planet. The silence remains, growing more mysterious each time technology improves without delivering a clear answer. Perhaps the answer is rare life, hidden civilizations, unfamiliar technology, or humanity arriving unusually early. Perhaps several explanations are true at once across different regions and different periods of cosmic history. Until evidence appears, every star becomes both a possibility and a reminder of what we do not know. The Fermi Paradox is powerful because it transforms empty space into one enormous unanswered question. It asks whether humanity is ordinary, exceptional, early, hidden, or approaching something we still cannot understand. And whichever answer proves correct, it will permanently change the story humans tell about themselves. For now, every night sky contains billions of possible worlds and not one confirmed reply. Maybe the universe is empty, or maybe its civilizations learned that silence is the wisest language. Either way, humanity is listening from one small world, surrounded by possibilities we cannot yet separate. What explanation feels most convincing to you, and what would discovering the truth change about humanity?